What is crack-a-lacking, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a brand new video on the Fiat 500X. If you remember or may not remember, in our last video we took this car to get fixed. It's been about 4 days now. We've got the car back, people. And if you remember, I said in my other video, I hope the £350 that he's quoted me to pull that B pillar and sort that out included paint. It did not include paint, guys, so we will need to get them doors painted. However, let's just get into the video and show you what's been done to the car. If you're not subscribed, people, make sure you hit subscribe, make sure you like. It helps the channel grow, recommend it to other people. We will be making money on used cars. I will show you how I do it. You know, I'm not a professional, but I've left my job. I'm doing this full time, and trust me, I'm going to make sure this pays off. Look at this bad boy car. Anyways, let's have a look at the work that's been done. So without boring you guys, you can see, yes, it's got paint on it. So you did say there was no paint included. No, there wasn't. The guy that, obviously I said I know this guy, he sorted the car out and he's actually put a tin of paint. Well, not a tin of paint, he's put some paint on the car so it looks representable. The back door was black, the front one was red, and the job was quoted to pull the damage that was in there. As you can see, it's been done really nice. It's been pulled out, all that kind of stuff. He painted inside. Obviously there was no paint included in that as well. And here as well, he's done all the paint on that. There was a massive thing sticking out there and a big dent sticking out there. There was a massive big dent sticking out here as well. This door wouldn't shut. So what included the 350 was to pull that door out and make sure these doors fit, and that was the job that was quoted. He's put the windows back in here, he's put all the locking mechanism back in here, he's done all the electricals in it, he's lined them up really well, and he's given us a tin of paint, as you can see. So 350 quid, I'm really happy with that. It's not a really good job when it comes to this side of paint because it's not matching that, so I do think I will get these doors sanded down and done to a better standard, because that rear door just looks like it's not matching. However, I didn't pay for it. Right, guys, as you can see, the car's turned out actually all right. So make sure you guys like and share for more content on this bad boy. As you can see, we've just got a little bit of trim to buy for that front door. I'm going to get some FIAT buff strips to put on the side of the door. So we're going to do a little FIAT buff replica build on this. Maybe a few badges, make it stand out a little bit from the rest. So when we put it up for sale, you know, someone sees that and someone says, you know what, I like the look of that and I'm going to buy that. Remember, on this channel, guys, we're buying cars from auction or anywhere else and we're flogging them on. I'm doing car trading full time. I've done it before to get cars I like. I bought cars from auction that needed work, such as RS5s, RS6s, Audi R8s, a few other cars as well. But this time I'm going in it to make some money and potentially end up with a nice Lamborghini or something along the line. So make sure, if you guys are interested in making money on cars, you hit subscribe, you like, and you share the channel as well, because this is just one of the projects that we got. We bought 10 cars from auction, guys. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit subscribe if you're not subscribed, and see you people in the next one. We've got a few more ideas and a few more plans on this one. See you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.